Good morning, everybody. It's 5 in the morning, and I'm going to be driving for about 5 hours to pick up more than 5 light fittings. Let's get on with it. Oh, what a healthy boy I am. It's a Tuesday. I wasn't in yesterday. The cold that I had last week caught up on me a little bit. We are in the warm and the dry today here, and we are going to clear out the ground floor completely. We're going to have a good old go with the floor sander underneath where the stairs are going to be, just to see if I've got everything we need. So fingers crossed we have. If we have, then tomorrow and Thursday, off we go. We're gonna really go for it.
We keep the little printer or not?
The hand grinder?
Yes.
Yeah. And all the loose tools, you just literally leave in the buckets here. It's fine. Oh, you mean down here?
Yeah, yes.
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
She applied for no plan.
I guess we can leave it for the moment. Okay, it is time, everybody. We are going to do a couple of little strips with the cup grinder, essentially, and then we are going to change to these pads here. So we actually changed the plate out for this thing here. So, wish us luck. Never done it before, so bon courage, I believe. I think you all agree that that is very, very noisy. The bearings are going on that machine. You're definitely going to get music when we do this. Here, I was going over this, so
Yes.
yeah. But,
I think you need to go deeper here. Huh?
oh yeah, but it's about how much you pass and how aggressive you go in each pass. Like so, I think
You want to do some like that, and after cross.
and do multiple passes.
Okay.
Just quite fast, quite gentle. When we go through this, our first pass, because we've got like a dip here, essentially. This is the issue here. This finish here is so bad. We have depressions that are around about 3, 4, potentially even 5 millimeters deep. So we've got to basically take all that out. So what might happen is that we might get to a point where we've taken it all the way down so we have something that's smooth, but then we have more aggregate on show in one place than in the other. So if it's just a small patch, then that's not the end of the world. If it's loads, then we kind of want to go for a little bit of uniformity, basically. Right, we'll do one more pass and then we'll switch over to the polishing stuff. I think there's a lot of dust to suck there.
Yes.
Oh, I think it's done its job. It's done quite a job.
Yes, the filter is full.
It's a heavy machine.
Put that on there. Still have some British gypsum.
First we need to put the adapter plate on, which is what I'm doing right now. 5mm Allen key. That's better. Alright my lovelies. Happy? I tried 3 different speeds, quite fast, a bit slower and slow, just to see if that makes any difference. I like it already. So the cup grinder is 30 grit. Then the first set of pads we put on, that was supposed to be 50. So the next one's 100. So we'll give that a go. This is the look of a happy man. It's already nice, isn't it?
Ah, yes.
Blimey, that's only 100 grit.
Perfect.
It's ridiculous, isn't it?
Yes. The difference between the 4 and the 5 here, it was already shiny, but and after you put a coat of something on it.
Well, I think you're supposed to, that stuff that's outside, I think it's at 150 grit. It's a densifier, like a hardening thing. It soaks down in to toughen up the finished surface. I can't believe how nice this looks. Even the differences between like the crazing in here. I love the transition. We're going to have these patches all the way over. Okay, folks. I'm not quite sure if you can kind of capture the shine. If I move the camera around, can you see that? That is a shiny, shiny boy. It is so smooth. It's ridiculous. To say this has exceeded my expectations would be an understatement. Goodness me, I am very, very happy right now. It's no good, I've got to try it out. Mate, honestly, that's ridiculous. No more free feet pics in this economy. Everyone's got to pay for it. I'll be opening an OnlyFans soon. I need to pick up some more 3x2 as well tomorrow, don't I? the other way, mate. My weight changes.
Oh yes.
You see?
Yes.
So give it a tap in. Oh, hang on. Lovely. Thank you. Here are the rest of the lights. We only put like the really rusty ones at the move end. I hope you liked this one. Like, subscribe, and hype as always. From now on, we're working inside. That's exciting, isn't it? Bye.